Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable USB ports on Windows 11. First, check the physical USB port. If you are using a desktop, confirm the port is not disabled by a switch or damaged. Try another port to be sure the device is working properly. Now, let us check your device manager. Click the Start button and type Device Manager. Open it and look for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Click the arrow to expand the list. If you see any disabled USB device with a small down arrow icon, right-click it and select Enable Device. This should immediately activate the USB port. Next, check USB Selective Suspend settings. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Select Hardware and Sound, then Power Options. Next to your selected power plan, click Change Plan Settings. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down and find USB Settings. Expand USB Selective Suspend setting and set it to Disabled for both battery and plugged in. Click Apply and OK. Now let us check Group Policy settings, which may block USB devices. Press Windows key and R on your keyboard. Type gpdit MSC and press Enter. In the window, go to Administrative Templates, then System, then Removable Storage Access. Look for policies like Deny All Access. Make sure they are set to Not Configured or Disabled. If your ports are still not working, open Settings, then Windows Update, and check for System Updates. Install any available updates as they may fix USB driver issues. Finally, restart your computer and connect your USB device again. If it is detected, your USB ports are now enabled and ready to use. Thanks for watching.